Hi guys, welcome to Electric Safari Vehicles. We're just going to be doing a quick walk around this awesome game viewer with one or two of its features. Behind me here is Land Rover, which has got every type of modification you can imagine on it. It's electric, full electric. This is the engine bay. This is a Tesla braking system, brake booster. We've got onboard chargers, we've got DC to DC converters, and we've got a cooling system for the motor and the batteries at the back. So in front of the vehicle we've got a mini bar chilled pop-up fridge. It's activated with remote control. We're going to push over to the back here. We've got a spare wheel carrier here for your spare tire over the bonnet to make it look old school. It is a Puma, so they didn't come out like this. We just made this bracket for this vehicle. And if we come through to the driver's side, we've done some modifications to the cluster, nothing major. We've got a whole panel of switches, motor controller, your voltage. Okay, so this is the motor controller, so that basically gives you all the information what's happening inside the motor, the electric motor. And this is just your battery indicator. That tells you the percentage, how many amp hours you've currently used, and the volts you're on, just basic information. We've got iPads for every individual, from the driver all the way through to the rear. Every seat has been installed with heated and cooling. So we got heated or cooled seats, so you can basically select your cooling or heating. You've got your own fridge freezer, and it also goes down to minus 20 degrees. And inside here is your wireless charging, so you can just chuck your phone on there and it'll start charging, so that's quite nice. And then we've got some nice doors that are rattleless, so they are on a bearing and they don't rattle. And then on the rear we've got a full-on coffee station with an onboard fridge freezer and all the goodies you need to be able to serve your drinks with. You've got sort of laser cut foam insertion over here for your glasses, and then your crockery this side. Up in this panel is your recovery gear, from your high lift jacks to your wheel spanners and spades. And then yeah, that's basically it on the external of the vehicle. We've done some suspension modification to this vehicle, so we've got dual shocks with quite a heavy duty coil on the rear to accommodate the weight, and same on the front, and then obviously just your roof canvas. Oh, that's quite interesting. We've actually got a 360 camera tucked away on the roof. So at the top over here, I'm going to actually activate that now for you. A 360 camera will pop up that basically films the entire game drive for you, and by the time you get back to your lodge, you can have a look at what you've seen for the day.